Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change your text size on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as you take out the navigation bar, just open your settings. But if you guys can find the settings from here, just go on the quick settings here and open your settings. And as you open your settings, go in the option personalization and click on here. And as you click it, you can see at the last option text and click on here. And go here and just select any of the text size you are comfortable with. So guys, that's how you change the text size on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.